The case integrates 3D visual recognition and Truss robotic arm automation technology, which is a Truss 3D visual heavy-duty refractory brick grabbing and feeding system. The system includes the following important components: 3D vision system, Truss robotic arm, quick change vacuum suction cup, and control system. Advanced automation solution is suitable for the refractory brick production industry, achieving efficient and precise handling of refractory bricks, significantly improving production efficiency and reducing labor costs.